channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Fabiola. I create all kinds of pink, beauty, fashion, and decor videos. If that's something you're into, make sure to click the subscribe button below, click the bell notification, and follow me on my Instagram. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's video. So today I am back finally with my Christmas decor video. Like, oh my goodness, I've been trying to do this video for the past few weeks, but I've been so sick. But finally, here it is. I'm going to share with you how I decorated for Christmas this year and just show you around my closet area and my vanity. So that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So here's an overview of my IKEA closet area. This is where I keep all my clothes and my jewelry and my handbags and all. So I did add a few Christmas decor pieces. We're going to start off first over here with some of the newer pieces that I got this year. So I do have this adorable little nutcracker that I got from the at-home store. And then he's sitting on these two books that I got from Amazon. And I also got that beautiful little frame. That one I actually got from Walmart. I'll link it down below, but it is beautiful. So over here I have my beautiful new little gingerbread house. I actually found this at TJ Maxx online. And I was so lucky to find this because this came out last year and it sold out super quick. And I could not find it, so I'm super happy that I have it, and it lights up, which I think is absolutely adorable. Over here I have my little dome nutcracker ballerina that I found at Michael's. Like, this is so adorable. This is the cutest little piece ever, and I'm so glad that Michael's came out with some adorable pink and whimsical Christmas decor. So over here on this side, I have this other little gingerbread house that I found this year. Like, I was so happy to find this. It also lights up and it's so beautiful. It's so adorable. And I also have this one here. This one is actually from last year. It's just so pretty. I got this at Home Goods, and it's a little nutcracker and it's a music box. So it does play music. It's so pretty. And I do have my flowers. I always keep these flowers here just because they're so pretty. So that's what I have on this bottom shelf right here. Over here on the second shelf, this is where I keep my handbags. And I do have this adorable piece that I also found at Michael's. Like, how adorable is this? It's actually like a blush pink. I don't know if the camera is picking up the color, but it is absolutely stunning. Like, how adorable is this? It's so pretty. And then on the top right here, I have more handbags. I did put my little Santa Claus that I found at Macy's last year. It's so cute. It's like tiny and it has like those little like velvet pants. I thought it's adorable. And then over here on this side, I do have this other piece that I also found at Michael's. It just says Christmas Wishes. So over here on this side, I do have this other area here where I just have like little shelves. So over here on the top, I do have my adorable little fluffy nutcracker. This one here is from At Home. I do have my little pearl bear with my crown. And then another like rose bear. I got those from a good friend of mine who sells them. I'll link her shop below. Over here, I do have my antique doll that I really love, and she's super old. She's like over 100 years old. And I have this adorable little frame with perfumes. This one is from Walmart. I'll link it below. I did put this little tiny tree on this little teacup. This was actually sent to me from my best friend Janine. She sent it last year. And then she also sent me these like tiny little gnomes. Like, how cute is that? Like, so adorable. So I did place this little Christmas tree right there. Down here I have a picture of my 3 kids. I should update this. This is like super old. They're so grown up now. They don't even look like that anymore. But I do have my little mini fridge, and then this is where I have like my Victoria's Secret like body sprays, and then my perfumes like on this little tray. Over here on this side, I did put this beautiful little gingerbread house. Like, how beautiful is this? I got this 2 years ago, and I got it from that website, I think it's QVC, and it is absolutely stunning. It's like the most beautiful gingerbread house ever. It's like so well crafted, like it literally looks like a real gingerbread house, and it lights up. And then I have like a few of my shoes here, and then I have some more handbags, and then I also got this one. This one I picked up from the at-home store. It just says Joy. So over here is where I have my vanity, and I do have that beautiful picture frame up there. And then I got these adorable little reindeers, and I got those from Marshalls. It came in a set of 2, and I did place these little gingerbread houses on each corner as well. I did decorate my mirror with this like fluffy, what is it called? It's like that fluffy feather garland. And on the bottom here, this is how I decorated. So I do have another little decor piece. This one here is the nutcracker from Michael's. So I did get one of each. Absolutely stunning. And then I also have this nutcracker. This one's old. It's like a couple years old from Target. It is so beautiful. I did put these 2 ceramic trees on each side. So I got 2. And then I also got these 2 here from Michael's. And then of course my beautiful little dome. This one here is like my favorite. So I take really good care of it. I actually leave this year round just because it's pink and it's so pretty. And I found this like little tiny nutcracker at Walmart. Like, how cute. Here's like the other tree. And then I have my beautiful nutcracker that says how many days for Christmas, and 10 more days. Can't believe it. So in my actual vanity, I did get some new palettes. I got this one here, the eye candy from my best friend Janine, and then this one, hot chocolate, and then this adorable little mini one, Secret Santa. She sent me all 3, like she's the best, and they look so incredible inside the vanity. I did also take out my Too Faced Christmas collection palettes. These are pretty old. I don't really use them. I just use them for decor pieces. I know they're probably like expired by now, but I think they look super cute here in the vanity. And then I just put my makeup that I normally use. So I do use all these. This is like one of the newer palettes here, the MAC one. It's so beautiful. And then my Charlotte Tilbury palette. And I do have this new one. It's a Bombshell from Victoria's Secret Fragrant Shimmer Dust. So pretty. I think it's so adorable. I just keep it here in the vanity. I have 2 mirrors, like a little bag, and then my little phone stand. So this year I didn't put my Christmas tree in my bedroom just because there was no way that it would fit here. It is pretty small, so I'm going to show you where I put it. I actually put it downstairs in my living room, and that way I can share with you all the cute new decor pieces and ornaments that I got for my little tree. So I did put my little pink Christmas tree in the living room because it doesn't really fit in my bedroom, but I also have another one that I put in the dining room. That one there is mostly for the kids, and this one is just for like decor. So let me go ahead and show you some of the little ornaments that I got. I do have some new ones and then some from last year. These I actually got from TJ Maxx like a couple years ago, and they look so adorable. This one is a new piece. I also got this one here. This is from last year. I have some new ones from my best friend Janine, and this one's like so cute. I love this one. Here I have some more. On the side right here I have more of these. I did pick up a few of these when they came out, and then some of these as well, so I added them. And then look at this one. This one's my favorite one. My best friend Janine sent me this one. It's my favorite one. It just looks so pretty in the tree. I did add these like little pieces here. I got this from the at-home store just to add a little bit of pop of color. And then over here on the bottom I have some more pieces, like a little slipper from my best friend Janine, and then this one as well. Like, look how pretty these are. She got me some really adorable little ornaments. And then I have this one. I have some more here. I have like another little slipper. This one here I got from a really good friend of mine, my little pink corner. She made these and they are absolutely stunning. It has like little feathers inside. Super cute, as well as this one here. Like, look how beautiful these are. So pretty. Have some more little slippers. There's some more ornaments on the side, and then I have this super cute little reindeer. This was like so popular when it came out last year. I literally had to hunt for this, and it's so beautiful. I'm so glad I was able to get my hands on this beautiful little reindeer. I also have this little welcome sign that I got from Michael's, and then over here I have my beautiful nutcracker. Like, this is the most beautiful nutcracker ever. Like, I'm so glad I found this. And he's like holding little nutcrackers in his hand. Like, look how cute that is. So over here on the top is the television, and then I did add some little decor pieces to go with it. So I do have this tree that I got from last year. I got it from Home Goods, I believe, and then this little nutcracker from At Home. And then over here on the other side, I have another little nutcracker that tells you how many more days to Christmas. And then of course this other tree, and then another little tree from the dollar store. So in our dining room, we did put up this big tree for the kids. This is where Santa Claus will come and bring their presents, but just wanted to show this to you. And I did get these like adorable little ornaments at the At Home store. So the theme here is mostly like silver and rose gold. So that was it for today's video. I really hope you loved it. I hope you all have an incredible Christmas and New Year's. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.